Available now. Heavy-duty clutch basket backing plates. Factory motorcycle clutch baskets were made for street use and under 250 horsepower. Today's motorcycles exceed 750 horsepower and run 6.30 seconds quarter-mile elapsed times at 230 miles per hour on street tires, with 60 foot times in the 1.00 seconds range. As these performance levels increase, it adds more stress to the factory-engineered components. As these power levels have increased, the factory clutch baskets and the clutch basket backing plates need to be replaced with a heavy-duty alternative. We now offer heavy-duty clutch basket backing plates, as well as heavy-duty replacement clutch baskets. Request a heavy-duty backing plate for your next clutch basket purchase, or send us your existing clutch basket for us to install the heavy-duty backing plate for you. We can also send you a do-it-yourself kit, complete with rivets and bushings, if you are able to perform the service yourself. Contact us today, and let us know what we can assist you with today.